Welcome to Orsidrel Home Silang Phase 4, where cool breezes meet the warmth of home. Located ito sa Barangay Kalubkob, right into the heart of the progressive Silang, Cavite, kung saan mararanasan mo ang malatagaytay na cool weather at convenience. Perfect para sa relaxing and refreshing lifestyle. Ang subdivision ay along the East-West Road, a 6-lane developed road that connects to nearby towns and cities like Tagaytay, Amadeo, Maragondon, Indang, Dasma, and province like Batangas and Laguna. This project ay very accessible sa Calax-Aguinaldo Interchange and Aguinaldo Highway, especially if you are coming from Metro Manila and Laguna. At syempre, laging may available na public transport, kaya hassle-free bumiyahe papunta sa Tagaytay, Dasmariñas, Metro Manila, pati na rin sa Batangas at Laguna. Enjoy a guarded entrance gate, basketball court, clubhouse, swimming pool, and landscaped open spaces, perfect for family bonding and relaxation. Find the home that perfectly fits your lifestyle. Here in Orsidrel Home Silang, we feature the Kylie model, a complete turnover unit with a floor area of 63 square meters and lot area of 100 square meters. It comes with 3 bedrooms, 3 toilets and baths, a carport, kitchen, dining area, and living area, giving your family the comfort and space you deserve, all with a modern touch. Everything you need is within reach. Schools? Meron. Malapit lang ito sa FEU Cavite, De La Salle University Dasmariñas, NU Dasmariñas, Philippine Christian University, and Cavite State University Silang Campus, Lyceum of the Philippines University Cavite Campus, at iba pa. Malls and markets, sobrang lapit ng Premier Plaza, Hacienda Designer Outlet Mall, Vista Mall Silang, Walter Mart, and everyday essentials like Pure Gold, Jollibee, McDonald's, and Starbucks are just a short drive away. Hospitals? Check! Estrella Hospital, Silang Specialist Medical Center, Tagaytay Medical Center, and De La Salle University Medical Center ensure your family's peace of mind. Ilan lamang yan sa maraming essential establishments, pasyalan, at government offices na very accessible sa Orsidrel Home Silang. At Orsidrel Home Silang, everyday life is worry-free and fulfilling. It's more than just a house. It's your dream home surrounded by fresh air, a progressive location, and a thriving community built for your family's future. And there's no better time to start the journey than now. Join us as we open new blocks this November 29, 2025 at Orsidrel Home Silang Phase 4. Don't miss this fast-selling project. Kita-kits mga ka-RCD!